15, give the equation of the line in standard form. As soon as it said give the equation, I know we're going to our point slope formula. And all I'm ever going to have to find is the slope. I already know my x sub 1 and y sub 1. I mean, I already know this is going to be y minus 1, x minus 1. All I got to do is, hey, who's my slope? It says it wants it parallel to this. Well, what's the slope of this line? This guy's slope is 3. So he's going up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. If I want to be parallel to him, I have to be the exact same. I have to have the same slope. So we're going to plug in a slope of 3. So y minus 1 equals 3x. Distribute the 3 through. I now move my 1 over. And here's the equation. The only problem is this equation is in slope-intercept form. It wants it in not slope. It even is bold standard form. So what do we need to do? Well, need to expand our screen a little bit, scroll down, and now we just need to move our x over. So we're going to move it over by subtracting 3x. Put our x first, x, then y, then equals the number. So is that good? Well, there's no fraction. Standard form, you can't have a fraction. You have to have the value in front start being positive. So I can't have -3. I need that to be a positive 3. So all I'm going to do, multiply through by -1. -1 times -3 is positive 3. The y will become negative and the 2 will become positive. And we are done. There it is in standard form. The next problem. Wow, I was so fast because it said give the equation of the line that I went ahead and wrote it and you couldn't even see it. That's how fast I am. Y minus y sub 1 equals slope times x minus x sub 1, point slope formula. Now, it needs to be parallel to this guy. Oh, this is a little tricky. I'm going to have to rearrange this guy to figure out what his slope is. So I have to take that 6x plus 3y equals 9, and I need to rearrange it and get y by itself, get it in slope intercept. So I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides. 3y is a negative 6x plus 9. I divide by 3. Each of these pieces gets divided by 3. Negative 2x plus 3. This guy's slope is -2. It wants to be parallel, so I need the same slope. So I'm going to use the slope of -2. And now it's easy. X minus the x sub 1 value, which is -1. Y minus the y sub value, a 2. Now we distribute through. Negative 2x. Remember, that's a plus, so -2 times a positive 1's -2. I add my 2, add my 2. Oh, nice. Y is equal to -2x. Is that in standard form, though? No, it's not. We must rearrange it to get it in standard form. So I just need to move my 2x over. I'll move it over by adding. I put my x first, then my y equals. So what is that? That's a 0. 0 is a number. That's okay. So here's our equation in standard form. 2x plus y equals 0.